Crypto Steve here, and I'm excited about what I'm going to show you guys today. I'm going to show you guys some value, packful information that's going to change your financial status. Listen, I'm going to show you a peek. I'm going to let y'all in on a peek of what I do daily, and it's going to be real quick, real fast, but I want to show you how I'm going to make a lot of money real quick. And I'm sharing this with you because I make a lot of money, but I want to help you make a lot of money. I want to solve some of you guys' problems with finances, and I want to show you some peaks. So first, I got to make a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I a CPA, nor do I work for Karatbit. I'm an independent contractor, an independent affiliate that works solely myself for Karatbit and for myself on Karatbit, and I am here to just add value to you guys' life. So it's gonna be real quick, real fast. I want y'all to pay attention. You can actually do this and make some money. So watch this real quick. I'm going to share the screen. So I'm going to take you guys first to Karatbit. I want y'all to see this account number. See that? Same as this account number, so you know I'm not trying to fool with you. Look, C9C7. C9C7. I want y'all to see this first, because y'all have to see it. Look how much money KBC I got. I have $1,822 US dollars. I have about 135,318 KBC coins. You see that? And I have nothing but less than a penny US, so real less. So I want y'all to see this number too. $2,322. That's with this 500 KBC that I got was a bonus. So watch this real quick. You see my tokens right here? I'm going to sell it for the price. Matter of fact, I'm going to go market price. Bam. And I'm going to sell. I'm only going to do 70,000. Now watch this. I want y'all to know that I only had 18,000. Watch what happens now. It's taking a little time. It's going to catch up. There you go. Watch. Bam. Right there. $2,305 in US if I sell 70,000 coins. Now that's more than what I have with all the KBC coins. Y'all was saying, how is that? Well, I'm going to show you. So here I am going to hit sell, and I'm selling less for, and so right now my sale price is less than anybody right here. Somebody else is doing it too, but I'm less than them, so mine's going to go first. Watch this. So I most definitely got to refresh the page so you guys can see this. Awesome, awesome, awesome. The coin is now, so, oh, where mine's at? It must have sold, huh? No, I didn't sell. Here you go. Wait a minute. Let's go. Market price again, 318. Let me do the rest. How much is 318? I mean, not 318. 0.0318. It's still $7,200. I'm going to sell it instantly because somebody's going to buy it for that price. Watch this. Bam. It's done. It's done. So now there you go. And see, none of my orders there. Let's refresh the page. This is crazy. This is bananas. Yeah. I'm only telling those that want to know. Hopefully everybody want to know, right? I agree. So here you go. All my coins is done. I have no orders here. So I'm not going to go here because I haven't refreshed this page, but I'm going to go here. Let's see what happened. Let's see if we can make some money. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh-wee. Look at what just happened. $4,000. You seen it. It was right here. 23 22. I just sold all my coins and made 4,240 dollars that I only had 1822 for. Voila, there it is. Crypto Steve, I just shedded some light on some information that can change you guys' life. Listen to me. Only here in Curb Bars, Mr. Hurl Sites and his team has laid it out for us. If you guys don't invite people to see that, you are crazy. That's all I'm going to say, and I'm gone. Again, Crypto Steve, peace. Peace.